All right, ladies and gents, back early morning. Here's the job. We're here in Mooresville, North Carolina, by the lake, Lake Norman, of course. Picking up this kayak rack. I don't know the difference between a kayak and a canoe. I guess kayaks are smaller. Here's the rack right here. It's bigger than it looks on pictures. This is a large part of the reason why I don't like to do estimates on pictures via picture, because you could think something is one size. This thing's about 10 feet tall, and about 7 feet wide. So, but anyway, and we have to go up this hill. I wouldn't have known that either. Got to go all the way up this hill, up the hill. Let's walk it and see. Steep too. Up here, look where my truck is. Up there. Of course, I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna back up to right here. But yeah, man. But look at this view, man. Gosh, mercy. What a great view. Anyway, let's get the cutting and hauling, and I'll show you when I'm done.